Welcome back to House of Manners, everybody. Happy Sunday evening. It's a little bit after dinner time. We just had an amazing meal. I had an amazing day. I mean, it was just absolutely gorgeous outside today. We had a beautiful church service early this morning and got home. Got to do some stuff around the house, hung out a little bit, and then cooked some dinner. And then now we're settling down and winding down the evening. So here we are. Just thought I would pop in real quick. Have a few announcements. Just want to talk about a few things real quick, and then as we get ready for the week. So first of all, smoking a new cigar tonight. I've never had this. This is part of my Creekside monthly that I get. Comes in this. I mean, just look how cool this is. You get this nice. You get like 5 cigars, 4 or 5 cigars. I think 5 cigars. Comes in this little thing. Has a printout of each one. This one here is, never had this before. This is the Casa Cuevas Patrimonio Toro. This is Dominican with a Honduran Corojo wrapper. The binder is Habano. The filler is Dominican, Nicaragua, and Peru. It's a 6x52. It says what to look for. It says black pepper, cream and citrus, lightly toasted bread, and nutmeg. So sounds fantastic. So I'm looking forward to trying this one tonight. And that's what I love about these Creekside shipments. They come in, you get a good variety of boutique cigars and some other different things. And it's a lot of fun to get that shipment in each month and kind of, see what's in there and try some new things. I've actually purchased some cigars because of that membership. So it's really kind of a cool thing. So, and check this out too, before I light that up. This is my cigar band jar for the year. Isn't that cool? I've smoked a few cigars this year. And if you wonder what I'm pairing my cigar with, it's tea. I'm drinking some good old Southern diet sweet tea. It's actually, since I'm doing keto, I'm not drinking a lot of sugar. This is a 0 carb tea in my Pizza Hut cup that Jeremiah Ford likes to make fun of me. He's always cracking on my Pizza Hut cup. What can I say? Cy Robertson had his little blue cup. I got my red Pizza Hut cup. Oh, well. So let me cut this cigar real quick, and then we'll talk about all kinds of things that are going on at the House of Manners and some things to expect in the next few weeks. And so, first of all, I might not be filming a lot over the next few weeks, and it's not because I don't want to. It's because of just I'm at kind of a moment or a season of life right now where we have a lot going on. And as much as I love filming and doing these videos, my family's going to have to come first. My son's graduating high school. It's a big deal. And for those of you out there who have little kids, one day you will have this moment where your kid you'll be sending him off or her off into the world. And so it's kind of a big deal to graduate from high school and be a part of that. So as you can imagine, there's all kinds of ceremony stuff. There's, parties and baccalaureates and award ceremonies and graduation and all the stuff. And then right after that, he turns 18. And then we are also heading to Ireland at the end of May. So got a lot going on. So I don't know how much filming I'm going to be doing over the next few weeks, but I will say this. When I get back from Ireland, we're going to be going full bore content creation, producing and doing things that we really want to do. So I'm real excited about that and the things I have planned. We're going to do a lot of filming in Ireland. Got some really cool stuff coming up in Ireland. Got some things scheduled there. Hopefully we can do some filming of that. So that is the plan, and to kind of run full speed when we get back. So a lot of cool things planned. We have some merch that we're also working on as well. There is probably going to be a little bit of delay on some of it for now, only because, not because we can't do it. It's just because of the timing of, like I said, all the stuff going on. I don't have the time to dedicate to that the way I want to. And what I have, I want to develop a website. I want to be able to make access easy so that you guys can go online, see what we have merch wise. and be able to purchase what you want and know that you're getting the quality goods. And that's why I'm doing my research on making sure we're coming out with some hats. We've got some polos. We've got some, we are working on a YTPC smoking jacket. So I do have some things I'm working on, but all that is going to be tabled until I get back from Ireland, just because, like I said, this is time for me and my wife to enjoy the hard work of my son, all the hard work he's put in over the last many years. And he's done a great job. He's an amazing kid. I mean, he's an honor student. He's already going to have a semester of college pretty much done by the time he graduates. I mean, he's just a stellar kid, and I'm proud of him. I'm very proud of him. And it's going to hurt my heart a little bit that he's leaving, but at the same time, he's ready. He's ready to go, and it is what it is. And so this is just that next phase of our lives where he will be moving on to start his adult life, and me and my wife will be trying to get used to what life without him. And we still have another son that's a lot younger than him, so we're still going to have people in the house, so it's fine. And we're going to have a lot of stuff to do with my younger son. He's a great kid, too. So we've got all that going on and a lot of fun stuff. But I just wanted to jump in real quick, give a quick update, just say hello. Want to say thank you to a few people, too. I want to just say thank you, first of all, to Dakota and his brother for hosting the after parties on Saturday nights. They're a lot of fun, and it's like sitting around a fire and smoking a cigar with your buddies. And I really appreciate that about them, that they let so many people come in and be able to spend time there and have great conversation. It's a great place to have discussion. It's okay to disagree there, which is fun. A lot of places, I mean, people get so offended about things, and what I love is that it's a place that you can go and have good discussion and disagreements, and still at the end of the day know that you're all still boys. And that's what's important, is that fellowship that we have as a community. That community fellowship is so important, and it's a big reason that drew me in to do this. The content creation was the community. So it means a lot to me. So anyway, that's all I got. I want to just drop in real quick, talk about upcoming things. This cigar is, it's very nice. It's very nice. The 3 puffs I've had of it, it's been nice so far. Very rarely do I get a bad stick out of that monthly club. To be honest with you, it's usually pretty good stuff. So something to think about, something to enjoy. Anyway, that's all I got for you tonight. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you have a great week coming up, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.